Yeah, you can take the.
Can I pull it out?
You can take the yellow steak out. Yeah, you can't. You can't take a white steak out.
Just watch it move. I mean, be careful. Yeah, it rolls back in further. You might want to not get.
Holy shit! What was it?
I don't know, but it was pretty fucking big. Now you can't see your ball. It was an animal.
It was. Oh, it definitely was something like sizable.
Now you can't see your ball.
Yeah, I can.
Well, I think it was an alligator, but it just fucking scared me. You put me in more water. Alright, well, might as well go for it. Heads up.